Ready to start earning extra income on social media? Well, keep watching, and in this video I'm going to show you on how you can start making money using YouTube Shorts. Welcome back, it's Lee, and this channel I basically take you through property, investments, how to improve your wealth and live a better life. So as you can tell by the title and that intro, YouTube Shorts is now going to start making some money. So from the start of Feb, YouTube Shorts, you can start making some money from ads. So yeah, before you can start earning money from YouTube or YouTube ads, there's a couple of things you need to make sure you can. There's a couple of boxes you need to tick first. So the first one is 1,000 subscribers. So that doesn't matter if it's YouTube Shorts or long form content, you need 1,000 subscribers. And then if it's long form content, you need 4,000 watch hours. If it's YouTube Shorts, it's 10 million watch hours. So whichever one of them you reach first, you can then start monetizing your content. So yeah, pretty much I had a notification from YouTube or an email yesterday or the day before, basically saying I can now accept the new terms of conditions from AdSense, from monetization from YouTube, accept the new terms and conditions for YouTube Shorts. So pretty much I went and done that. So you had to do it before the start of Feb to start earning from Shorts. So you can do it whenever you like, but if you accept it now before the start of Feb, as soon as Feb the 1st comes, you'll instantly start making money from YouTube Shorts. So I'm currently making money from long form content. I'm pumping out the YouTube Shorts, and a couple of my videos are in the 100 millions. I got a couple of videos on like 12 million, 8 million. So I'll put up some stats here on the screen for you guys, just so you can see how my shorts are performing. So yeah, with these shorts, I've already made a couple of pence. So yes, it's nothing massive, not as good as long form content. Like long form content, you can make a good couple of £100 on them. But like I said, at the moment, they haven't started putting ads on shorts, but I have started making money on a couple of my shorts. Yeah, here is my biggest earning short. So as you can see, it's got, or this is my #1 trending short at the moment, and it's currently got 26.6 million views. And as you can see, it's pretty much estimated revenue at £2.44. So just to give you an idea, from 26 million views, I've made £2.40, let's say. But if that was a long content and I had 26 million views on a long form content, I'd probably be earning a good couple of £1,000 with that, with adverts. So it's going to be interesting to see how these shorts do from February onwards. I will do a updated video at the end of Feb, maybe into March. I'll do a video of an update on how much I have earned from YouTube Shorts. But yeah, like I said, this is just to give you an idea on how much I've made so far from my trending shorts, and how you can basically start earning money from shorts. So if you are thinking to get into it, make sure you have. And also another way you can increase that income is TikTok. So again, you can post the same short that you post on YouTube on TikTok, and you can also earn revenue from TikTok. So 2 platforms you can make income from using a short content video. So yeah, if you are interested in building viral videos, increasing your subscribers, your social media content, you need help with social media marketing, then get in touch and work with me one-on-one or join my program and we can look at growing your social media, building some income, some passive income, and basically getting you to financial freedom using social media. So yeah, if you do need help with social media marketing, then put in the comments box below help, and I will get in touch with you with an email address or a link that we can then start talking, going forward and seeing how I can help you going viral, or basically adding some income to your social media pages. So again, thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you, give you an insight into YouTube Shorts. Please hit that like button and also subscribe if you haven't already.